Tired of mistaking crucial work emails for just another social media update because all your apps sound the same? Let's fix that. First, navigate to your iPhone settings app. It's the gray icon with the gears. Tap it to open. Scroll down until you find notifications. It's usually near the top, with a red icon featuring a white square. Go ahead and tap on notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all your apps. Scroll through this list to find the third-party app that you want to customize the notification sound for. Once you found the app, tap on its name on this screen, locate the sounds option and tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of available alert sounds. Tap on each sound to preview it. Choose the one that you want to use for notifications from this specific app. After you've selected your sound, simply tap back to exit the settings for that app. That's it. You're done. Now you'll hear your customized notification sound every time that app sends you an alert. Now you can easily distinguish between your app's notifications, making sure you never miss what's truly important. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips.